This how to 1 minute will show you how to create full width blocks with background image in WordPress. Follow these easy steps to do it. Log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. Click on the search plugins box and type here advanced WordPress background and install and activate this plugin. Once done, go to the post or page section where you want to create a full width block. And now I'm going to edit this post. Once you are in your editor, to make a full width blocks, click on add block and here type background and you will get the background plugin here. So click on it. Once the block add date, click on this plus icon. Now you can add a paragraph here. Here I'm searching for heading and adding heading here and pasting this text. And then I'm giving a enter and again click on add block and selecting paragraph. And now let's copy and paste this text here. Okay, now let's make this block full width. To do it, click on align and here select full width. And as you can see, the block has been full width. And now let's add a background image to this block. To do that, select the block and select the block and here select image, set image, and now let's upload a photo for the block background. So this is the photo I'm going to use as my block background. And as you can see, the image background has been added. And now let's add some padding here. So here I'm giving a enter and clicking on add block and typing here space and selecting spacer. And as you can see, a padding has been added at the bottom. Now let's add a padding at the top. Add block, spacer, and that's it. Now let's change this heading text color. So now let's update the post. View the post. And here, as you can see, I've added a full width block with a custom background image. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.